Jokendo ratich oganda pacho ka ochako chenro mar golo odok e nyithindo ma nyiri kendo chiwo puonj mamiyo githegore kod iye ma ohiu, lwenje mag udi kod tuoche manyalo hinyo ngima. Magi gitimo kokalo tuke mag sinema mag tugo kendo kale mbui mag yore manyasani. Jokendo ratich oganda gi omedo ni gitimo kamano mar chiwo duol ne rowere kendo geto bero lwasi mar ngima maggi. Gimanya alwora mag nam lulwe kendo kokalo tukego geto reso ochumi.
The adolescents enough awareness or enough knowledge so that if in case they need to make any decision on their sexual reproductive health.
And it's just to bring out our ideas, the challenges that we face as young people from Migori.
But there's also a lot of messaging around sexual reproductive health and economic empowerment. And a lot of the education happens through our 3 lead characters.
Robi has been that typical example of the rural girl and how she navigates the challenges that she faces in the village through growing her talent from the village all the way up to the city.
But more broadly, Girl Effect is about reaching young girls on issues that matter very closely to them. That includes health, their livelihood, and